Outdoor Squad, and today I'm going to be reaching at this big dark bucket with this toy claw again, and this is part number 2. So.
Yes, we are. So there's all kinds of different toys in here.
And this time I'm going to have a blindfold on, so I have no clue what's inside.
Exactly. You're going to cover your eyes so she doesn't know what she's going to get. So some things you can get. So you can get a Party Pop Teenie. You get LOL confetti dolls. You can get Lego. Yeah. You can get the squishy.
Shopkins.
Shopkins.
Well, this is a squishy.
Yeah, that's a squishy, right? Yeah. You can get Chick with Wigs.
Yes.
You can get Razor the dinosaur.
You can get this.
You get Lego minifigures.
You can get this.
Ooh, what's that? Oh, like Kitty in my pocket.
Yes.
Or
there's a
Ready to Robot. There's Lego sets.
Yes. I'm probably not be able to get the Lego set because, look.
Oh, look, there's another Lego set of Han Solo.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, you can get it if you want, probably. All right, so the hat is not for grabs. All right, so I'm gonna shake these around a little bit. So she will have
all the good toys and there are all the bad toys.
She will have no idea where anything is.
Biggie.
Oh.
Thank you.
All right, let's see what she gets.
I'm so scared.
What is she going to pick up? Will she be able to pick up anything? Oh, didn't get it. Oh, we don't know. You have to bring it up. And she gets Chicks with Wigs.
That's cool. All
right, so we can do one more.
Okay, one more.
Close your eyes.
Okay. I know what I'm aiming for.
I know, but I'm shaking it up. You won't have a clue. All right.
This is like mixing up a salad. Did I get something?
No, you didn't get anything.
Did I get something?
You did, actually, a dart.
Oh! What? What?
All right, I guess she's opening up the dart. I don't know what it's doing in there for. All right.
Okay.
What's she going to get, guys? Comment your prediction down below, and she gets what did you get?
Shopkins!
A Shopkin! All right, we're going to clear it up, and we'll be right back.
So we're back, and I got my Shopkins and my Chicks with Wigs, and
all right, we haven't opened up a Chick with Wigs yet.
I really want the little, that one that I'm pointing to.
Ugh.
She looks really cool.
So I think she wants the one with the pink hair.
And it's like, it's a yellow chick.
Yep. All right, let's take a look. It's Chick with Wigs 3+. It's series number 1, and there's dozens to collect. And they're from Jakks. Oh, yeah. Actually, you'll need scissors. Why don't you go get some scissors right now?
You'll eat scissors?
No, go get scissors.
Look how perfectly that fits.
All right, so Jakks, it contains 1 figure. And these are the chicks that you can get. So it contains, collect all 24 in series 1. All right, so Callie wants that one right there. So that's the one she's hoping for.
Can I see which one you pointed to?
I pointed to that one.
Yeah.
That's the one. All right, so let's take a look at the back. It says Chicks with Wigs, dozens to collect, 3+. And there's the other chicks on the other side. I want Callie to get that one right there.
Can I see? Oh, that one.
All right, why don't you open up the Chicks with Wigs first,
okay.
And then we'll worry about the Shopkins after.
Yes.
All right.
There's tape right there, so.
Of course.
Take these handsy
Callie and her tape. She has a difficult time with the tape. Oh, don't hurt yourself.
Oh, look how perfectly. If I just trust
you almost got it all. Which one did you get?
Oh, it's actually real hair.
Well, Chicks with Wigs.
So cute. Cool. Which one did I get? It has orange hair.
Let's see, it must be on the other side. Callie took the box away from me.
Oh my around her.
So
plastic.
I think she got this one right there.
Oh, her hair feels so cool.
I think that's the one that she got.
Can I see?
The second one from the top. The one in the middle.
Yeah, I think I got that one too.
Can I take a look at the chick?
But it's not like as...
And the wig.
Weird.
Look at this. Oh, that's so cool.
Yeah. Should I just like make...
So you can like... It's like real hair. It's like real... Well, it's like wig hair.
It's real hair. It's not like plastic.
Looks like she's... Hey, hold on. Looks like she has a heart right above her right eye. I don't know if that's right there.
Wait, what?
Pretty cool.
Let me see.
Off her right eye.
Oh, it's a black heart.
It's a black heart. All right, so let's take a look at the Shopkins that we're going to be opening up. This is a season 6 Shopkins. So there's 2 Shopkins inside, and they're for $5+. So scan with the app, it says. It says contents, 2 Shopkins, 1 jar, and 1 recipe card, and 1 collector's guide.
Also, it has like a little bit of like, they didn't like cut it perfectly. Didn't like cut it perfectly if you look like right there.
No, well, no, because that'd be the front of her hair.
Yeah.
Remember? So, yeah. All right, let's see what Shopkins we get.
Oh, there's plastic.
There is. That's why I said grab the scissors. Will she be able to do it in record time?
What
And
kind of record time?
yes, we got these from the dollar store. They were $2, I think it said. Was it $2 or $2.50? I forget. So let's take a look at the collector's guide.
$2.50.
$2.50. Well, that's the recipe card.
I love the recipe card. The recipe card is so cool.
All right, I don't know. Have we ever opened these before?
Yeah.
Have we?
Yep.
All right, so it looks like there's all kinds to collect again. There's scrambled eggs. So there's breakfast. Strawberry pancakes.
Except for the chocolate syrup, which is the best.
Let's take a look.
And
So
the other thing.
if you want to make a chocolate sundae, these are the Shopkins that you need.
Well, maybe I'll get the 2. That would be enough.
So you need chocolate,
Don't need the scissors.
Chalky tubs. What else is there? Miss Sprinkles. And little chocolate bottle and... Oh,
Can I open this?
yes, you can open it. Yep.
Okay. It has like a little like thing.
Wilbur
right there.
whipped cream. All right.
So cool. Like a little thing. I love it.
Okay.
I don't have
Oh,
to use
perfect.
the scissors.
That's how every bag should be.
It's like a little like princess gown or like a little
Oh.
cute cake.
Cool. Let's take... Oh, look at that. That's cool. So there's the first Shopkin that we got.
I'm not gonna look for this one.
What does it feel like?
I'm gonna guess.
Guess. What does it feel like?
Where is it? Is that the wrapper?
You had it. Oh, okay. Right. To your right.
Okay.
I didn't know you'd taken it out already.
What is it?
I'm not going to tell you. You're not even on the right way.
Oh, it's that way? That way?
Yeah.
Okay. Is it like... I don't know.
All right, take a look.
Okay. Oh, it's a carrot. It doesn't go that way. It goes that way.
Oh, I'm sorry.
See the face? It tells you.
Let's take a look. Sorry about that. Oh, look at that. Pretty cool. We got a carrot.
Wait.
All right, we're going to figure out which ones we got, and we'll be right back.
With Karen the carrot and ultra rare.
Well, that's... So Karen the carrot is a common.
Yep.
And then we got Sweet's Honey, which looks like it's an ultra rare.
Yeah.
So we got an ultra rare and a common. What do you think of that?
Very nice.
All right. So remember to subscribe to the Callie and Jordan Squad.
Yeah.
Hit that notification button so you don't miss out on any of our fun videos.
Yes.
Smash that thumbs up button.
Yeah.
Comment down below whether your favorite was the Chick with Wigs or
Also,
the Shopkins Series 6.
If it wants to be a boy, it can have like a nice
It's a mohawk.
or it just wants to be have a mohawk and that's bedhead.
Well, girls can have mohawks too.
Yeah.
All right. Share with your family and friends. And until next time.
Bye.
Peace.